Welcome to the last maths lesson of this half term. You've done amazingly well. Today we are converting years to months and weeks to days. So we will need to know how many months there are in a year and how many days there are in a week. If you don't know that, maybe you could pause the video and see if you could find out. Okay. According to a website, these are the average lifespans of the 4 animals, and we're going to compare them. I want you to be able to tell me who lives the longest, who lives the shortest, if there are any animals that live a similar amount of time. Maybe you could put them in order from the animal that lives the longest to the animal that lives the shortest, or vice versa. Okay, I'm going to give you a clue. If you didn't know how many months there are in a year, there are 12 months in 1 year. So 1 year equals 12 months. These are not the best things to draw on, are they? Okay. Okay, and you all count weeks regularly. So we have 5 days at school and then we have 2 days at the weekend. Altogether, we have 7 days in 1 week. We'll need that for later. Okay, so if a rooster lives for 15 years, we need to multiply our 15 by 12. You can pause the video now while you journal your ideas, and then we'll have a look at the Let's Learn. Okay, our rabbit lives for 9 years. Okay, we go back to our known fact, 1 year equals 12 months. And then we work out that 9 years equals 9 times 12 months, which is 108 months. Again, we can use this method. We could double, and then we could put our answers together. And we could use a fact family triangle. Okay, we might need 2. We might have 9 times 2. 9 times 2, which is 18. And then we might have the 9 times 10, which I'm hoping you can rely on without jotting it down. But 9 times 10 would be 90. We'll piece these two together, we add them together. 90 add 18 is 108 months. Alternatively, you could multiply the 12 months by 10 years, which would give us 120 months, and you could take away a year or 12 months. Thank you, Hannah. That's a good idea. The rooster, we can convert its years, its 15 years, into 180 months. Okay. And then we know that the lifespan of a rooster is the same as that of a sheep, but they both live longer than, was it a tiger or a lion? Okay. A further question here, if you'd like to pause the video now. Okay, our guided practice. We need to work out the average lifespan of a chameleon in months. So it lives for 1 year. How many months would that be? What is the average lifespan of a mosquito fish in months? 2 years equals 2 times how many months? Or you could add 12 months of the year to 12 months of another year to make our 2 years. 12 add 12 is 24. Well done. The average lifespan of a guinea pig. We've got 4. Oh, skipped a page. We've got 4 years. 4 times 12 is 48. Or we can count up in 12s. Okay, Ruby observed the eggs of a monarch butterfly for several weeks. Her notebook page is shown below. If the eggs took 1 week to hatch, how many days would that be? The caterpillars stayed in their chrysalises for 2 weeks. 2 weeks equals how many days? How would we write that as a multiplication? It took the butterflies 4 weeks to transform from eggs to butterflies. 4 weeks is equal to how many days? We've worked out 2 weeks already, so we could just add that together 2 times. How many weeks does a monarch butterfly usually live? 1 month equals 4 weeks. If it's 5 months, how many weeks would that be? Okay, here's our worksheet for today. Hannah grew a tree from a seedling and she recorded the growth of the tree. We can see here the height going from 1 meters to 2 meters to 5 meters to 10 meters. And this is the time it took, the duration. 1 year, 1 year 6 months, 3 years, 5 years. It took 1 year and 6 months for the tree to grow 2 meters. I wonder how many months that is altogether. Okay, you can finish your worksheet now and then come back for the answers. One year is 12 months. Add 6 more months gives us 18 months. Okay, answers for question 2. Well done, Year 4. It's been an amazing half term and you have been amazing home learners. Everybody in school has done a fantastic job of keeping up and we're all looking forward to seeing you some point next half term. Have a wonderful break this week and take care.